chickens. It's nothing like looking for parking at the grocery store during rush hour. Oh, I found one. It's actually kind of nice out. It's also kind of windy. Which doesn't help recording. But I actually got a little windsock for this little microphone. Yeah, sorry about the wind. Whew. I don't know where my windsock is. Let's see. Well, I guess my sister-in-law is coming over for dinner with her boyfriend. So we're gonna do that. I thought I was gonna make a little commercial for Dennis and Grind Soccer plug, but I guess we're not doing that today. I want to go to the gym. I don't know if that's going to be possible with the things going on. Maybe I can escape after dinner. So, with that being said, we don't usually have people over for dinner, but we are today, so I like it. It's fine. I think I figured out what I'm going to do with my cameras. Because this one is, the microphone's so sensitive. Because the microphone is so sensitive on it, I might use this one for like what I'm doing now. And then when I'm walking, because my phone camera has such a good stabilizing camera on it, I think I'll use that one more for like movement. It rained last week. Not only did it rain, it got nice and warm. Think it's a good like insurance thing. Suction mount. It's gonna go right up there. Camera. Problem is I have this little contraption here that allows me to use Bluetooth in my car. It's pretty cool, because I used to have to use the aux cord. It just started wearing down. I'd have to like fidget with it and it would be staticky and stuff. So I got this and it actually has worked out really well, so I don't have to keep plugging and unplugging the aux cord. Problem is, actually, that's what the other cord's for, but then I can't charge my phone. Oh boy. Yeah. It's so annoying. Okay, well I got it up there. I'm just gonna send it. Figure if it doesn't work out, I can always figure out how to play music through my car, but I do want the dash cam up. I did pay for it, however, so really long cord. So what I'm gonna try to do is, so I'm gonna plug it in, then I'm gonna run it, plug it in, and then I'm gonna run it up through there, around there, down there, and then probably underneath and around. So, yeah.
Stands as tall as my water bottle, and it's like the circumference of it is like this, and it goes all the way down like that. It is a massive. It's like a liter of hot sauce. He put it back all haphazardly in the fridge in Michigan, and he went back for it to make some nachos. And guess who committed suicide out of the fridge?
It was basically unopened.
It was like brand new too. Hot sauce everywhere.
Nothing says fuck you like a hot sauce that says fuck you.
It's true.
Bye, hot sauce.
He cried. Like,
So
I didn't actually
I
cry.
saw tears.
I almost did though.
I saw tears.
Manny, here's the thing though. You should have realized his hot sauce obsession when you met him because he's Mexican. I mean, that's
Okay. Oh, okay.
Like, stereotypes.
I try
Okay.
not to either, but there are certain things that are just happen,
Which one is
okay?
Yeah.
Indian?
Yeah, Crystal, do you think mayonnaise is spicy? Because white people think mayonnaise is spicy.
No.
That's totally a stereotype.
That-
and I
no.
don't think mayonnaise is
That-
I
spicy.
have never said mayonnaise
That
is
is the
spicy.
false stereotype. That's what I'm talking about. There's certain things where
What turn?
it's just true, okay?